Hi, I'm Emily Robinson with the Dion Law Group. I practice family law in Westlake Village, California. And one big part of family law is divorces. And one thing about divorces is they can drag on and be very expensive and take a lot of time. So I like to give people tips on how to stay out of court and how to keep your divorce as uncontested and inexpensive as possible. One way that you can do that in regards to your assets is to try and keep everything status quo. If you're paying these bills and your wife or husband is paying those bills, if you keep everything as status quo as you can, as long as it's not a hardship on anybody, then you're stopping the other person from running into court and saying, oh my gosh, he or she cut me off, I can't afford to live, I need money, which significantly increases the costs of your divorce. So if you can work with your spouse before things get ugly, try to have an agreement on who will pay what and who will do what, keep everything as status quo as you possibly can and try to work together, it should decrease the time it takes to get your divorce and decrease the expense. If you have any questions on this topic, you can contact me at 805-497-7474 or go to my video blog at www.granadahillsdivorceattorney.com.